In this video, we are going to see how to create an account on Nexleon CRM. We just need to go to nexleon.com, go to the CRM page, then click on Get Started. This will redirect us to the register page. Then type in the first name, last name, and provide your email, company name, then provide your phone number, provide a strong password, and repeat the password. Check terms of service and privacy policy. Then click on register. This will send the verification email. Then check your email. This provides you the two mails, that is verification email and welcome email. We just need to verify your email. After the verification is done, it will redirect to the dashboard. From here, we can complete the profile. So this is how we create an account on Nexleon CRM.